A very warm welcome to all of you to Self Selection Board, a one step towards uniform। मेरा नाम है शुभम वाशने और जिनसे आप अभी मिलने वाले हैं वो है जनरल एनपी सिंह वीएसएम, मतलब विशेष सेवा मेडल से अवार्डेड। ये एक्स एनडीए के ऑफिसर रह चुके हैं और यहाँ पर वो कमांडेंट भी रह चुके हैं नॉर्थ कपूरथला बोर्ड के, जो कि 31 और 32 एसएसबी के नाम से जाना जाता है। इसके बाद जब वो ब्रिगेडियर थे तो वो इलाहाबाद बोर्ड के प्रेसिडेंट थे और जब वो मेजर जनरल बने तो वो कपूरथला बोर्ड के प्रेसिडेंट थे। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। इनका ऐसा अनमैच क्रेडेंशियल है कि इन्होंने बहुत ही बेहतरीन रिजल्ट्स दिए हैं। 10,000 से प्लस इंटरव्यू ले चुके हैं और 1 लाख से ज्यादा कैंडिडेट्स को स्क्रीन कर चुके हैं। बेहतरीन कैरियर और इनसे आपकी मुलाकात होने वाली है। सो मेरी आपसे सलाह यह है, जो जो आप वर्ड सुने बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे आप, क्योंकि ऐसे इंसान से मुलाकात रोज रोज नहीं होती है। अब जरा यहां पर आपको समझना होगा कि मेजर जनरल एनपी सिंह से जब आपकी मुलाकात हो रही है तो वो एक मॉक इंटरव्यू फॉर्म में हो रही है। मतलब आप एक ये बच्चे का मॉक इंटरव्यू देखेंगे और वो मॉक इंटरव्यू आपको एक रियलिटी चेक का काम करेगा। मॉक इंटरव्यू जब आप देखेंगे तो आपको 3 बातों की समझ होनी चाहिए। पहली बात, प्रिपरेशन। जब हम एसएसबी की तैयारी करते हैं तो उसमें एक्चुअली डूज एंड डोंट्स एसएसबी के लिए क्या होते हैं। दूसरा, पर्सनैलिटी। एसएसबी एक पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट है, तो पर्सनैलिटी ग्रूम करने के लिए जो असेसर मुझे बता रहा है वो क्या है। एंड द लास्ट इज प्रेजेंटेशन। आपको कैसे बैठना है, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या होनी चाहिए, ये भी समझना बहुत जरूरी होता है, क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ कह जाती है। आप समझिए, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज लाइक ए कैनवास। जैसा आप एक्ट करोगे वैसा आपको ज्यादा अच्छी तरह से वो असेस कर पाते हैं। आपको मेरी बातों का बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखना है और जब आप मॉक इंटरव्यू देखेंगे वो देखेंगे आप मेरा। आई एम अ 25 ईयर ओल्ड गाय जिसकी सैलरी 1 लाख प्लस है। सो आई एम अ मोर देन एवरेज गाय जो अच्छा कर रहा है 25 साल की उम्र में। उसका आप इंटरव्यू देखने वाले हैं, पर उसका करियर ऐसा था नहीं। उसने अपने 12th में 60% देखी है और इनफैक्ट बीटेक में भी उसने अपनी परसेंटेज को ज्यादा नहीं देखी, उसने देखी है 57%। तो ऐसे इंसान की आप जर्नी देखने जा रहे हैं, सो मेक श्योर जब आप देखें तो कुछ नया सीखेंगे आप। अब जब आप यहां पर इनका मॉक इंटरव्यू देख रहे होंगे तो मैं आपसे कहूंगा कि इफ यू फील कि मुझे भी जरूरत है, क्योंकि रियलिटी चेक होना जरूरी है आपकी प्रिपरेशन का। आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि आप अपनी एसएसबी के लिए मुंह उठा के जा रहे हैं, ये गलत तरीका है। किसी का इंटरव्यू देखना और खुद का इंटरव्यू होना दोनों में फर्क होता है, इस बात को आपको समझना पड़ेगा। सो इफ यू वांट अ चांस टू मीट अ डायरेक्ट मेजर जनरल, यू हैव दिस नंबर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, यू कैन कॉल दिस नंबर आफ्टर दिस इंटरव्यू। अब हम एसएसबी के मार्किंग सिस्टम के बारे में बात करते हैं कि एसएसबी में आपके इंटरव्यू को असेस करा कैसे जाता है। ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। सबसे पहले आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि हर असेसर के पास टोटल 225 मार्क्स होते हैं। कौन कौन असेसर होते हैं हमारे पास? इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर, साइक एंड जीटीओ। जो पासिंग मार्क्स एक असेसर दे सकता है वो है 90 मार्क्स। अगर 90 का अगर परसेंटेज निकालोगे कि 90 मार्क्स कितने हुए तो आपको 40% मिलेगा। मतलब अगर आपको तीनों असेसर 90 90 90 देते हैं तो 270 मार्क्स होंगे एंड यू आर पास्ड। ये आपको समझना पड़ेगा, ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके सिलेक्शन होने के लिए। बट मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं कि इस पूरी मार्किंग सिस्टम का इस्तेमाल आप मेरे ऊपर करेंगे। जब आप मेरा इंटरव्यू देख रहे होंगे आप खुद जज करेंगे, बट आप एक बात का ध्यान रखें, मेरा असेसमेंट करने के बाद आपको मेजर जनरल साहब की बात बहुत ध्यान से सुननी है। वो क्या कह रहे हैं, उनकी क्या ओपिनियन। देखिए, मेरी बात समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। आपने जो असेसमेंट किया ठीक है, आपकी समझदारी जो थी वो ठीक है, बट इनकी ओपिनियन मैटर करती है, इनका क्या मानना है। मैं आपको एक बात बता रहा हूं, एट द एज ऑफ 21 और 25 यू आर नॉन टीचेबल। बहुत मुश्किल होता है समझना, और आज की जो जनरेशन है उसको समझाना और मुश्किल होता है। मैं आपसे रूड नहीं हो रहा हूं, बड़ी बात सच है। कहीं ना कहीं हमारी जनरेशन को सुनने की कम आदत है और ये और बढ़ती चली जाती है तब जब हमारी उम्र बढ़ती चली जाती है। आपने देखा होगा आपके पेरेंट्स, हो सकता है आप सही हो, आपके पेरेंट्स समझ नहीं पा रहे होते हैं आपकी बात को, क्योंकि वो टीचेबल जो कैपेबिलिटी होती है, टीच करने की या सॉरी समझने की कैपेबिलिटी, वो खत्म होती जा रही होती है, कम होती चली जाती है। आई होप मेरी बात समझ गए हो। अब हम मेजर जनरल एनपी सिंह के इंटरव्यूइंग रूम में जा रहे हैं एंड यू विल लिसन टू एवरी वर्ड्स वेरी केयरफुली।
Hello Shubham, good evening. How are you?
आई एम गुड सर, थैंक यू सर, a very good evening sir.
Thank you, and great to see you, and nice to see you coming into the interview officer's room. How you been performing so far?
Sir, it's pretty good sir. The 2 days went
Okay,
really well sir.
okay. So what all has been done now by now?
Sir, by now the psych has been done and the GTO part is also, the 1 day has been done sir.
So you're through with GTO one.
Yes sir.
Good. So now you're nice and light-hearted, ready to
Yes.
take the interview on.
Yes sir.
That's wonderful. So how's been your stay over here?
It's good sir, it's really good.
Okay. So how do you compare this place with your hometown Meerut?
Sir, it's I think there's no comparison of the two cities, sir. The both the
All
city
right.
have their significance. But yes, the weather is good, so the mood always remain happy that you can perform the task really well, sir. That's all, sir.
Oh, that's wonderful. And I'm sure you must have made a lot of friends over here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's nice. So, Shubham, I see from your PIQ form that you're coming from a wonderful place called Meerut,
Yes, sir.
and you've been born and brought up over there in Meerut all through.
Yes, sir.
So, spent all your life out there.
Yes, sir.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So, can you tell me three important things about Meerut?
So three important three things about the Meerut has that one is geographical location, sir, which is in the western UP, which connect two states, one capital, I mean the national capital, plus UP plus Uttarakhand, and the total distance is 180 kilometers. That's a one important point about it, sir. Then second is the industrial location is there, sir. Because of this geographical location, it became a transportation hub, sir. And
Oh,
the third most significant thing about is that it is a Asia sports market. If you get a chance when there's a matches in Uttarakhand or in Delhi, you get a chance to get a glimpse of the international cricket players in the Merit, sir.
wonderful, wonderful. So, you seem to be a hello cricket fan.
Not big, sir. I'm not a big cricket fan, but when get a chance of glimpse, so I like to get it, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. Even Meerut has got some things very, very famous. Can you tell me two of them?
Yes, so the first one is 1857 revolt, which started from the Meerut only, sir. The one thing is that,
Okay.
sir. Then the second thing is Hasnapur, sir, which I perceive, which in the earlier stages, in the ancient times, sir, it is a part of the Meerut only, where you can see the Pandavas history plus Jain history also, sir. And with that, there's a wildlife sanctuary also there, sir.
Oh, wonderful. You're quite an intense guy. Yeah.
Thank you,
Huh?
sir.
You have good knowledge of Meerut. पर एक चीज वहां काटने वाली भी मिलती है वो क्या है?
काटने वाली no, sir, I'm not very well. That Caesar is there, sir. The Caesar is very famous over there, sir. The export is over there from the Caesar. The biggest export is there.
Yeah, there is that, and of course there is the Nauchandi ka Mela.
Nauchandi ka Mela, sir. Sir, right now because of COVID, I missed the sun. I'm really sorry, sir, about it, sir.
No problem. This is just to break the ice with you and to make you feel comfortable. So be happy, and I'm telling you this because everyone knows it that this is just rapport, and be happy that you've been able to answer it so well and so confident. So it's great. So I think having established what we have with each other, I just feel comfortable. There's a glass of water by your side. You can have that as and when you wish to, and I will be doing less of speaking, and I'll make you do more of speaking. So we must start off on that note. So in the next 45 minutes or so, Shubham, I would like to ask you first about your education and training, wherein I would like to know from you that what was your education like? Where did you study? And from class 10 onwards, tell me which were the subjects you had and what were the grades you achieved and which was the subject you liked best and why, and which was that subject which you did not like too much and why. Then your teachers, the bestest of teachers, so to say, which you have come across in your life cycle, and why, and which was that teacher which you liked but somehow you just could not get along with. What was the reason for that? You could tell me that. Then your group of friends in school and college. I see that you've done engineering. I've seen that you've done CAD/CAM, and I also see that you've done good schooling. So in this journey of your education, your group of friends, who are they, where are they, what are they doing, how many are they, your best friend, and why, and which is that friend? Friends though he is, but what is it that did not make him your best friend, and why? And what were the efforts you made to improve him? Okay. And thereafter, tell me your extracurricular activities. What all did you do and what all did you perform? And how well did you perform? What were your achievements in your education and in your movement towards life? And finally, how was your education financed? So, having got the question clearly, please go ahead and let's Hear you.
So starting sir from my education from class 10th, I did my schooling from Dayavati Modi Academy, and then I did my schooling of 12th from Mayo International School. And after that, sir, I got an opportunity to take admission in Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University, sir. And from there, I did some production engineering. So coming to my marks over that period of time, my marks in the 10th is 57. Sorry, 87.14, which is 9.2 CGPA, and in 12th it is a 60.2. And after that, sir, if talking about the graduation, the aggregate is 57.14, sir. In that period of time, in the whole period of class 10 to current level of my education, I made several friends, sir. But the close ones, if I like to count on that, sir, that Shubham Sharma is from my 10th and 12th, sir. Then after that, I met a Deepak Sharma in my college days, who became very, very close friend. And after my, while doing my CAT camp period of time of education, that period of time, I did, sir, I made a friend Arvind Kumar, sir. And I like to tell about the teachers I made, sir, over the close period of time. That is Mayank Parashar sir has made a very significant importance to my education, sir, because of which I am able to score really good marks in my 10th, which was I am very poor in that. So that was the reason. There's as such no reason to dislike any teacher, sir. They did a significant role, what they have to do, sir, and I'm quite happy with their efforts, sir. As such, while moving forward with my higher education, the graduation, sir, then I met an S.S. Chavan, sir, whose role was in the lean manufacturing, where I learn about the more about the lean manufacturing with the practical significance of it, sir. And with that, the last part is of CAT camp, sir, which I earlier forget to tell you, sir. Over there, I scored a 72% around marks, and which made me stand out in the achievement with the overall the academics, sir. And over there, my roommate was Arvind Kumar, and that guy is right now doing the his own business, interior designing right now, sir. And with that, sir, I forget to tell you the profession of my earlier two friends, sir. So I like to make an account of it, sir. Deepak Sharma is right now working in IT industry, and right now the Shubham Sharma is right now working in a PNB bank, sir. That's all about my friends, sir. Then if I talk about my the financial support which I got from, sir. So earlier my financial support I got from my parents only, sir. They take care of my entire education that period of time, sir. And the last thing which you asked about the extracurricular activities, sir. So I did anchoring and speech during my school and college time, which was necessary because I was from English medium and my spoken language and public speaking is not very good, sir. So therefore I took part of it, sir. That's all, sir.
Wonderful. So, Shubham, you've told me all about yourself regarding the education and training. Tell me, you did very well in class 10. And thanks to the maths teacher, Maya, I think, you were very enamored by him or her. And he guided you beautifully and you got 87.14%.
Yes, sir.
But unlike other kids, from 10th to 12th, rather than showing a rise, you showed a dip. And a good dip of good 20%, if not more. So what could be the reason for that?
So the reason for that period of time is there is I do not like to put an excuse over here, sir. But the three significant reasons were there, sir. The one, my mother met with an accident with a truck at that period of time, because
Okay.
of which somewhat my most of the time remained in the hospital and taking care of her, sir. Meanwhile, in that period, just before an accident, I took the arm wrestling as a sports, and that also take my significant amount of energy of mine. So after that, my almost every energy is quite exhausted, and whatever I put the effort, because of which I am able to score 60.2%, sir. For me,
Okay.
that arm wrestling was very important for me because I qualify for the states. I won the gold medal that period of time. So the national is the next. So my coach gave me an option, but I still tried to do my best, and finally I achieved a medal also there, sir. That's the reason,
That
sir.
was a good achievement, a wonderful achievement. But compared to your academics and arm wrestling at that point in time, when you know so much that it's so critically important at class 12, don't you think you made a mistake somewhere?
Sir, I realize right now that somewhere my maturity was not that enough, but my Josh and zeal was there completely for the arm wrestling, because I thought somewhere tomorrow maybe I'm playing Russia, Ukraine, and somewhere maybe tomorrow I will be a world champion also. So my parents also give a zeal. If you have a wish to complete that, do it, because there's a many player from the Meerut has came, Bhuvnesh Kumar and Satish is there. So they have done something in a very small age. So they said, okay, go ahead.
All right, all right. And you moved on towards, your drift in your education studies has been more towards CAD CAM and what I see from your hobbies and interests, which I will be touching upon later. You're more into YouTubing and other things, which is a passion with you. And rightfully so. Why not? Because you learnt and you want to put it to better use. Uh, but how come you got this drift towards this side?
Sir, in the year 2015 and 17, there was a drift between the Association of Arm Wrestling. Two association was there, and because of that, Supreme Court put an hold over there. And because of this reason, the event stopped happening. And this is the one reason, sir. With that period of time, I also get an injury, so I also take a rest. Maybe in the next year I will play. But meanwhile, the drift become very big in the international level also. The two association has built up: World Arm Wrestling Association and World Arm Sport Association. So
Yeah.
again, for the next 2 year, there was no reason that any event happens, sir. And this sports is not at all associated with any government except Russia and Ukraine. And this is the reason made me to decide ki there's no certainty right now of the federation right now. So I decided to switch my career, and that period of time somewhere it was zeal because I was in sports, so I felt inclination toward the armed forces, sir. Therefore I decided that I will join armed force in the future, sir.
So, Shubham, whatever you've done right. However, at that point in time, arm wrestling is an aggressive game and it brings out the best of a man. And in many cases, even ladies, I've seen female wrestlers also in my life. Did you never ever think of going in for NDA?
In that period of time, sir, I have given the exam, but there was no zeal of it, as my numbers also shows that somewhere I am not too much inclined in the education that period of time, sir.
All right, all right. But you went on to do engineering after that,
Yes,
which
sir.
is, which is very creditable, and you cleared it well. So that's for your education. And what about your friends? You mentioned about Arvind, you mentioned about Shubham, you mentioned about Deepak. Now, these three friends you have during various stages in life, are you still in touch with all three?
Yes, sir, I'm touch with all three, sir.
How wonderful, how wonderful. So these are your three best friends only, or you have a larger circle?
Sir, close friends are three only. With that, you I think asked one more question, sir. I like to add. You asked why the only these friends are close one. So I like to add with your permission, sir. So the close one reason was they stood me even in my bad times, and somewhat the bond become more stronger. And the same my case was there. In their hard time, I stood there, sir.
That's very
So that's
nice.
how the bond become more stronger. Somewhere we were roommate also. The bond become more easier and
Yeah,
stronger.
and I see that you were a day scholar all through, and then suddenly you became a boarder,
Yes, sir.
and that's where you developed this bond with Deepak,
Yes,
if
sir.
I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
So that's very nice. So tell me, talking about qualities and tell about your passion of arm wrestling and other things. So out of the three friends, now at hindsight, who do you feel is your best friend?
So this is hard to choose. This is hard to choose. Even I do not say tell them any of them ki you are my best friend. No, this is the area of conflict over there, and they all three of them met once.
So if you have to say you have to rank rate them, okay, one, two, and three.
Hmm.
All three can't stand at the same pedestal,
Right, sir.
isn't it? दाग तो चांद में भी होते हैं,
जी बिल्कुल.
है ना?
जी.
होते हैं ना?
जी बिल्कुल.
So उसी तरह हर एक दोस्त में कुछ ना कुछ तो खामी होती है.
Yes, sir.
So tell us out of the three, which would be your number one guy, and your number two guy, and your number three guy?
Sir, it's hard for me to choose, and
Yeah,
on the
give it a
basis of
shot, give it a try.
yes, I will try my best, sir. So I like to give on the basis of time we have spent. So Shubham Sharma is from class 8th, and the right now 2021 is going. So I believe there more than 11 years had been passed. So I would like to put him rank 1. Then rank 2 Deepak, around 7 to 8 years, 4 years BTech plus we have lived together for 2 years also. So around 6 to 7 years Deepak, and the last point is Arvind Kumar. We have spent 1.5 year together. We both struggling for the job, so we both were idle. The bond become more stronger.
So this is one, two, three as per your perception.
Yes, sir.
And you also mentioned, Shubham, that in your journey of life, kabhi khushi, kabhi gum, tararam pam pam.
Yes, sir.
So in that, you have they've been helpful to you just as you have been helpful to them.
Yes, sir.
So would you rank rate a friend in terms of the duration, or would you rank rate him in terms of the intensity of the the trouble you've been, and he has come to your rescue.
Sir, it will be completely wrong to rank a friend according to the difficulty. If the Shubham Sharma is not next to me, how he will help me? Maybe he
Yeah,
give a counseling on a phone. But the
yeah, yeah.
person he is in the bond with me, and every month, every 3 months, we have a call. That means the person like to be in contact with me, and he like to, I like to same with him. And instead we will. There was a time I do not have Shubham Sharma. अरे कोई नहीं हो जाएगा आज नहीं मिलेगी कल मिलेगी कल नहीं मिलेगी परसों मिलेगी मिलेगी तो सही. So he did that in the counseling. Arvind was next to me. He did the part of teaching. अरे ये पढ़ ले वो पढ़ ले. So there's I cannot compare them on that basis, sir.
But Shubham, somewhere though you will have to compare. You will have to compare in the sense that you may not agree with me, but you'll have to disagree with me. Okay.
जी.
And in this, see, every friend has to have some drawbacks also. So now, if they're all good, then tell me one drawback of each of them.
One drawback. I think the three of them have a one drawback common.
Okay.
They both three of them have forget to do exercise and sports. Where in the college and school time they were very active. And the one
Okay.
guy is also married right now. So in the COVID he has struggled. So I know that there's a difficulty that the weight has put on. But the one thing is drawback in all is the fitness is not there. They're really overweight.
So then how come they were your friends?
So there is no relation with the fitness and this. I don't believe that the weight
But
can be
but
can anytime be reduced.
you know, a person who's so much into arm wrestling and so much into physical activity, so to say, apart from all your technological pursuits, a person like you and they drifting into different walks of life. एक IT में जरूर गया है, जो बीच वाला है,
जी.
अरविंद,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, and the one has got a startup and the other has got into the banks. So very diverse professions and very diverse interests, so to say. Arm wrestling, not one of them. I would have agreed with you if you had said that they were arm wrestlers with me. You know,
Yes, sir.
then you're sailing in the same boat. But when there is so much of differential between the three, there has to be something which bonds you,
Yes, sir.
apart from
Sure.
the time.
Surely, sir. This is not the only one difference you have pointed out. There's a lot of differences we all have. In the maybe if you're
So
interested, sir,
that's
I
what
like
I'm
to tell.
asking. That's what I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
You are generalized to say one. I'm not asking you to give me one. I'm saying you give me. Yeah.
So the reason of all our bond is the one thing is there, understanding. I had a fight with Deepak, but after 5 minutes, we just get separated. Then we calm down and then we talk. What happened between us? Same case with Shubham Sharma. Same case with Arvind. We always have a fight, or we maybe have a conflict on the point. Deepak has a point of view. He love traveling. I hate traveling. As compared to him, I do not like traveling. Shubham Sharma love cricket. I do not like the cricket. He played to the state level also. I had never played it. Even the school team, he was asked, chosen first. Arvind was too good in the form of the business and everything in the stock market, where I have no interest right now so far. So even then, we always have a dispute, but there's somewhat an understanding is there that after 5-10 minutes, we understand that let's come to the one common conclusion. We can't go, in a separate ways. That made a bond a very strong, sir.
Okay. I'll spare you on this, but I'll come back to you on this again.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So now, Shubham, talking about your teachers or your mentors or whoever your professors were in your journey, you spoke of one teacher called Maya.
Mayank, sir.
Mayank, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Mayank, I heard you wrong. Now, Mayank, what was so good about him, that mathematician, that you liked him so much? What was that quality in him which attracted you towards him? Or he got motivated to guide you so much?
Sir, today I like it, but that time I literally was not very comfortable. He was too strict and disciplined. He made a separate students group who are weak, and he put lot of efforts why they are weak, why their interests are not there. And later I realized even his scolding is a blessing for me, sir. And that made me a score of 95, 98 at that period of time in the 10th, which is a very crucial part, which I thought after 11th after 10th I will drop it. So that's one thing which is the reason that I love him.
Excellent. So if you got those results, then why you said your mother fell sick and you got into arm wrestling, all that is there. So पढ़ाई से दूर कैसे आप? मुझे ये नहीं, I'm not able to get that Shubham the Great, with such good marks in class 10, in class 11 and class 12 started sinking.
So,
I'll tell you, I'll just finish. When you have your mother sick, uh, something in you gets you to work harder to prove to your mother that I'm looking after you, but yet I'm also doing well in studies. That's a form of a medicine for your mother. But when that didn't happen, you went into looking after her. That's great. That shows great sense of responsibility. But that's one swing of the pendulum of responsibility. The other swing of the pendulum on the other side takes you into the negative and getting into arm wrestling out of the blue.
so what happened that period of time? I realized the fact after my 12th, I did realize there's a one biggest blunder of my life which I did. Maybe I
Okay.
have dropped this part of arm wrestling at that period of time. I have started the engineering part, but I realized that because I had impacted me very badly because I hard to get a college that period of time. It's lucky that I cleared the BBD entrance exam. That time I have a complete zeal at 2010 when I first entered in the arm wrestling field and did a very good and first got the gold medal. I somewhat the zeal has came up and that zeal I want to drive and I want to show that even my mom was in the bad position, me my family is working good and able to get stay balanced life. That period of time that thought was not there. I completely agree that there was no maturity of that part, but somewhat I realized that fact. I maybe read the stories that the athletes are born in their young or teenage stage, not in the later stage, because in the 25 I have seen there the world champions are there. So right now this is one of the crucial part that I was thinking that period of time, sir.
So what about Shubham versus Shubham? Where was that Shubham Verma of yours to guide you? That dear friend of yours.
Shubham
Did he
Sharma.
not?
So his name is Shubham Sharma. So he
Shubham
guided me.
Sharma.
Yes, he
Huh?
guided me. He absolutely guided me over there. Shubham, you need to focus on that, the marks. What you will do if you do not get? What we will do after that? And I'm convincing very strongly. I will excel in that. And it was happening. Gold medal was there. Bronze medal came. National zonal champion is there. Every title I'm going, I'm winning. So
Okay,
path
coming
straight.
back to your teachers. Coming back to your teachers, I got what you're saying. Mayank, Mr. Mayank or Dr. Mayank or whoever, Professor Mayank. Now, as your journey took place in your college, who was that Master Dhurandhar who who guided you and mentored you through your journey in college, and who was that one in your CAD cam who you really admired? Though you did mention Chaman sir or someone.
Yes, sir.
Tell me more about these people. What
So
fascinated you?
SS Chavan, sir. His name is SS Chavan,
This
sir.
is Chaman. Okay.
Yes, sir. So he is more kind of entrepreneurial mind with a research mind also there. He has an aspiration to become entrepreneur tomorrow, and he always talk in a layman language. That's fascinated me always, and that given an inclination over there towards the engineering, especially the lean manufacturing part. And because of this, the reason I choose my internship only in the lean manufacturing in the Nord Drive system, and where I got an excellent appreciation by the company because of it, and I was very happy or. I feel really interested to move forward my career in that. But later I realized that in the India right now, the lean is not that popular. The industries are small, and because of which I realized I need to switch my career to other part. And there, my creativity has given me a spark, and I choose mechanical design engineering. So, by my own research, there is no such one inspiration, but I realized there is a scope is there, scope is developing over there because MNCs are coming. Then I choose CAD/CAM over there, sir. And the last part of the Arvind, I say his help or inspiration is towards the persistence. Of we both do not have a very good aggregate marks because of which we are not able to sit for the placement for the maximum companies. Even we have a very good marks in our CAD/CAM institute. That was the only part, sir.
So how come you did not get good marks?
So because I was in the arm wrestling field up to 2015, sir. So my aggregate was low.
So arm wrestling has been the major issue with you towards success and also towards lack of focus.
Sir, if your permission, I'd like to put words sir over here. Sir, arm wrestling has never defocused me or put the success away, sir. The success is always the desire where you want to put, where you want to get it. And my desire that period was very clear. 25, at the age of 25, I'm going for the world championship. I will be the in the top medalist. I will be in the top ranking. That was very clear. That was unfortunate that at the national level plus at the international level, the federation get had a dispute, and that was the reason, sir.
So unfortunate things happen to unfortunate people, and it happens that way. But at the age of 25, at the age of 25, now that you face me for an SSB, when did this sudden enlightenment come that armed forces is the career for me now?
The year was 2016, sir. In my third year, sir, when the almost a year happened of the federation was closed, and I decided that I need to switch the career and where to. So I realized that the armed force is a very good part, and that period of time, the first entry came, and I was excited for that. The minimum percentage was there 50%, so I said, let's go for it. And
So
meanwhile, I come.
flexibility is the order of the day, and with you also, it became the second option became your first option.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, that's good. You said it. So now tell me, this SS Chavan, SS Chavan, he fascinated you. You moved on. You went into CAD CAM and you went into developing your hobby as a YouTuber and other things.
Yes, sir.
How do you think that these qualities make you sparkle in the qualities which are required of an officer?
Sir, the qualities that I develop in this period of time is surely the part of to become a very good officer. And still, I am developing it. Still a continuous improvement that, sir. And in that,
Okay.
I realized that the one thing which I liked is that discipline of the armed forces, which I get in the sports, number one. Number two, to lead a team. At that period of time, I have my own club that named Pune Arm Wrestling Club, which whose I'm the founder, and still it is in the is running right now in the Pune. If you search the Google, so I get a chance to lead a team, and with that, with the success of getting the medals from the Maharashtra Association. Then after that, sir, I realized that continuous determination and persistence, and the key for always look for the success with the hard work, which I always found in every officer, is the key thing. And the fourth, I realized that gel up with the situation, whatever it is, and change according to the situation. These five things I found, sir.
Okay, that's very nice. You brought them out well. Somewhere down the line, you said you hate to travel.
Not too much. Like Deepak go from one town to other town, then have a whole tour with the country, and then come back and with the one day before study and get the marks. So that much I do not like.
So, but that will happen in the armed forces also.
So duty is
कभी यहाँ,
duty.
कभी वहाँ, कभी यहाँ, कभी वहाँ.
Duty is duty. But if I have a priority of exam or my championship, how can I? He do not
Aren't you
have.
contradicting yourself?
No, no, sir. I am very firm with that. Duty is duty,
You're
sir.
saying you don't like traveling, and you also don't like to move around like a bhoond from one to the other. But this is going to happen very, very, very often in the armed forces.
Sir, sir, it's completely acceptable. I know this fact. I know every 2 years I think the transfer happen, which is natural,
No,
and
even short of that,
maybe
it
short
will
of
happen
that.
in
And I
6 months.
love to that. See,
Okay.
so traveling is good if it's
Yeah.
getting a pleasure and your goal is not getting disturbed. So my goal is to do my job that the armed forces have given me the task for that. That's amazing. You are getting traveling chance with your job, but
No, but in the job, Shubham, even in the armed forces, the goal is not only to kill people. Every job in the armed forces is so diverse that it you have to keep changing your goals. So when you have to keep changing your goals, you have to keep changing your achievement levels and your everything else. So it is a total thing. So you will feel that ये कहाँ यार ट्रैवलिंग तो मेरा दोस्त भी करता था और मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता था और यहाँ फिर उसी में फंस गया. It's just like education. You know, you are not too fond of education or studies. You're more into arm wrestling, whether you twist your own arm or you twist the other person's arm, and like now I'm twisting yours. So, so the point is, Shubham, that in the armed forces, flexibility is the order of the day.
yes, sir.
So you can't say, I don't like traveling, I don't like too much of this, I don't like too much of that. So how do you qualify in my eyes for becoming a damn good officer. Prove that to me.
Sir, as you said the word flexibility, I catch that word, sir. And in my words also, I thought I'm very flexible. I gel up according to situation.
कहने से क्या होता है, बोल रहे हो ना आप कुछ और.
नहीं सर, मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है. I realized that for the tour of the arm wrestling, I have traveled across the nation and maintain my diet also, so that I
Okay.
remain in the performance. So I have to take care. My job is there. I will. Everyone love the traveling, but traveling should not be there. Your goal should be, do not achieve. I need to take care. Deepak was my friend at period of time. He always say, go to the movie, have a popcorn. I have to
Okay.
maintain the diet. How
Okay.
can
So
I?
that's great. So we'll cut it short there. And your education has been financed by your parents all through.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So having got enough insight, Shubham, into your friends, your teacher, your education, your training, your extracurricular, in which you've told me about your anchoring and your public speaking and other things, because you had a good command of English. Now let's move on to your family and, family time.
Yes, sir.
So in that, please tell me, Shubham, about your parents, your dad, your mom, your brother. As per your PIQ form, I don't know whether it's your brother or your sister, but you have a younger one. You missed out saying whether it's the sister or the brother. So any which ways, there you have a younger sibling, and you're the elder one. So what are the responsibilities you carry out at home, and what are the moments of joy you've given to your parents and the moment of embarrassment you have given? So you have to tell me one each. There also, you also have to tell me a circle of friends back home. Okay, these three friends are the friends which you had for a very, very long time, 11 years, 7 years, 3 years. But which are those friends in the Gali Mohalla where you're staying, where you interact with them? Who are those friends, and what about them? And what about any other relative who's had an influence in your life? And given a choice between your dad and mom, who would you confide in? Okay. And what is the type of time you spend with them in your daily life? So go ahead and tell me all this.
So first of all, I like to apologize that I missed to identify with my younger brother or younger sister. So it's a younger brother, sir. So in my
Younger
family,
brother.
total four members are there, including me, sir. So my mother and father both are optometrists in the field of in the government sector, sir. And my younger brother is doing FPM from IIM Indore, sir. And as I am a mechanical design engineer, sir. So in this, our family is a nuclear family. With that, sir, in this nuclear family, we, as a part of responsibility, I do many jobs from the vital day job which is required for the family, either to go bank or to pay the electricity bill or any other small things. With that, I have some duties in my home, so that I will help my parents, because my father has to leave in the early in the morning. So as I in the home right now in the COVID period of time, I have to bring out the car for him or make sure the door is closed at the time of night, because he's too tired. He's go in the COVID period. He has to go out to perform his duty, sir. That is my duty over there, sir. With that, there's a very significant bond with me and with my parents and with my younger brother, sir. A very significant bond is there, sir. That bond, we have a one thing is there. We all have a different qualities and different kind of person, but still, when there is a time to understand and bring a decision, the whole family come out and make a common decision, which in the favor of the family, sir. And in this case, recently we are deciding to buy a land, and then we have decided together what to do, and because of financial condition of COVID, we have did so. And then come to the parts of where I have friends over there, sir. So then when I go back in the home right now, I have many friends right now. Aditya Shubham is there, then Vaibhav Sharma is there, Lieutenant Naman Sharma is there, then Arpit Garg is there, sir. These are the friends which from my school time, whenever I get a time or chance with the, I also Shubham Sharma also, I forgot to mention Shubham Sharma also there. So together when we get a chance, we meet to get a one small and get together, sir. And right now over that period of time, about the influence of any uh, of my family members or in the neighborhood, is one of my chacha ji is there. He's engineer in HAL, sir. So there I get a first glimpse of how hard work can give a better result in the life. And from a very humble lower middle class family, he started his journey, and right now he's a well reputed engineer over there, sir. So that's all, sir.
Okay. So what motivates you to join the armed forces? What was your motivation? What was your spark? Where did that come from?
So the spark come from the Captain JK, which give a orientation program in our college, sir. and why he told that what the armed force can give you, and how the beautiful the journey will be there. That sir inspired me a lot, sir.
So that one talk inspired you for your change of life.
So the initiation was done by him. Then my research on YouTube and Google has helped me a lot. And one of my friend was there also in the Indian Naval Academy that period of time. So he is absolutely right. Even there's more than you can imagine. It's a different, completely different world.
Mhm. Okay, that's very nice. So you've done all the thing, but tell me more about your friends. Those friends which you never mentioned.
So these friends have a very significant identities. In that period of time, when I have a need, surely they were there. As compared to Shubham Sharma, yes, there is low level because the Shubham Sharma live in my colony only. So there's 100-meter gap only from my home. So it's a very close bond with the Shubham Sharma. But yes, they all have a significant importance. We all stand together when there was a need. According to time, they were there with me. And right now, we all are in a different stream. The one is left in the army, one is doing a private job, other is in the corporate sector, other have his own startup. They all are doing different jobs, but still we are together in touch and ready to gel up. That's make a strong bond, so that every time we do a small things, take care of small thing, whether their birthday and everything. And right talk about the qualities. Every friend's quality always help other person to get better, sir. That's the best part of it, sir.
So tell me, which was that difficult time where you all came together and helped out each other?
Sir, the difficult time, all there was no chance right now. Only one was there, that of medical health of my mother. That was much more aware by Shubham Sharma only, because in the colony with other friends I hide it, sir. Because I do not want any kind of sympathy towards me, towards my action. I know what I am doing. I am very clear, so I don't want sympathy. But Shubham Sharma was aware, so he always come forward. I have a dinner with him, with his family that period of time, because there was no one to cook food. That was there, sir. But purposely didn't never share, sir.
But then how did you bond together? You mentioned that
So
you
small things
no,
always there.
you said you mentioned that you all get together in times of need.
Yes, sir.
So if you are going to hide it from them and only tell Shubham Sharma the Great, then how will you come to know about the qualities of the other friends?
Sir, intentionally, my purpose was not to also tell Shubham Sharma, but because of family relation, he come to know.
Okay, fine.
But about the friends, there's always small tasks. School exams were there, sports days there. There's a need of it. Then there's a bond together for 12 hours in the school. Then you automatically gel up. So that's
So
how
you
the
had
six.
so you had lot of friends like that.
Yes,
So
sir.
now tell me one quality in one friend which you have not liked and what have you done about it?
Not like. So there's as such, I do not like to say like or do not like. I can tell you that do not like. There's one thing, because of COVID, everyone is not in the fitness position. Even one of the friend who's in the left in recently got left in, and the likes, I like to say that, for example, Aditya Shubham, he's a very good keeper.
I'm not asking about likes, I'm saying dislike.
So dislike,
Out
there's
of
one.
out of all those friends which you've so much praised, and you have a fancy for Shubham, so you've got Aditya Shubham also with you to add to the list, है ना? So now वो तो सब ठीक है, but I am asking you one quality of one friend which you did not like and what did you do to improve him?
Sir, the quality which do not like as such, I do not say that, because they are well aware of the area of improvement. They know what to do. Yes,
No, but
my
what
job
do you
was,
like? What is your perception of them?
my perception was they are doing good. But still in the area of improvement where I work with on him, and which I do not like, is a somewhere a very little things. There was a guy with us, Vaibhav Sharma, very poor handwriting. The only reason of his score less marks is this only. We all friend, pop up him कि बाप डॉक्टर है तो बेटा भी ऐसी ही हरकतें करेगा. So we lack full of that. Somewhat he improve his handwriting. He also get the benefit 9-10. Small things we have done. The Naman Sharma is very clear. He want to join NDA. So we always say पढ़ता पढ़ता था नहीं, लेफ्ट हैंड साहब बनेंगे बड़े. So we pull the leg with that so that he get energized. He always tell हाँ यार हम पढ़ेंगे, अभी करता हूँ मैं ये. So we gel up. Aditya was good in the maths that period of time, so he helped him. So my job is not there for the maths, sir.
Shubham, you're doing a great job, I'm telling you. You're doing a great job. But, but, you are still not coming to the point that I want to know that we have all been young. You are still young and we have been young. and boys will be boys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and why should girls have all the fun? So you have to tell me, not like a Gandhi preacher, you have to tell me at your age, what is that friend who has some bad habit and how did you go about improving it?
So there's no as such bad habit. I like to firmly again.
Oh, you're
There's
so
no
fortunate.
smoking, no
You're so
drinking.
fortunate.
Yes,
Okay,
I am, sir. They all are
good.
very sincere, very dedicated toward their work. They what they want. If you see, they all are settled by the age of 23. What they want.
Yeah.
If you see, I am the odd one out over there only, who is
No,
not
no, you're
settled.
not the odd one out. It's just that there is something called centrifugal and something called centripetal. Okay, when you have a group of friends who are like minded, that's why they're friends.
Yes, sir.
All right. So those friends bond, they bond stronger with common interests कि हम सब ने फौज में जाना है और हम सब ने नहीं तो इंजीनियर बनना है क्या करना है ठीक है बट लाइक यू सेड each one is running centrifugally you know since you're a science student I'm trying to tell you that
Yes,
I'm a
sir.
science engineer not student engineer
Yes, sir.
so it's centrifugally पत्थर बांधो ना डोर के ऊपर और ऐसे ऐसे घुमाओ
जी.
तो जो पत्थर को छोड़ दो तो it goes at a tangent to that circle which is formed so that is what has happened to your friends each one of them has gone in their own directions
Yes, sir.
so they've gone so what made your friends motivate you if at all if they did for you to move into the direction of the armed forces which I'm not getting so far
So there's as such no role has come up. I share with them that I want to join armed forces, and then Naman has came in the play. चल मैं कराता हूँ तुझे चल ऐसे भी तैयारी कराता है. Then he came in the forward, but other friends do not have any as such a knowledge of it.
okay you have to tell me what you've not told me is the most embarrassing moment of your life.
I'm really sorry, sir. Some most embarrassing moment of my life is that my friends got embarrassed. So normally we move in the group, and when you are in the young stage, somewhat there is a stage when you want to be just cool in the school time. So I'm moving with the crowd with one of my friend or 5 6 whatever the name I told you, and in the whole recess, my zip was down and we was liking moving all the recess part and somewhat every time we either talking to girls or some teachers everyone has noticed it probably or maybe someone has found some reason they didn't tell and that time I realized what my friend told when we are just encountering the principal that period of time because we were late in the recess then he told me Shubham your zip is open and I realized that everywhere I was going with the girls or maybe with the teachers or maybe with friends or some female friends or whatever and I did the what a blunder mistake my shirt is coming out from my zip so that was the embarrassing moments only.
So you mentioned that they saw it but they never told you till you entered the principal's office.
Maybe they are taking that fun part of it.
तो दोस्त दोस्त ना रहा
नहीं सर दोस्त दोस्त है उसने कहा कि ये अब मरने वाली है भैया ये गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
anyway but what I'm actually asking you which you're missing the wood from the trees is the most embarrassing moment in your family what embarrassed your
Oh,
parents
I'm really, really sorry, sir. I think I completely misunderstood the question, sir. So in the family, there's as such no embarrassing moments, sir. There's no
none
embarrassing.
at all
Not at all, sir.
none at all
Not at all.
okay the happiest moment
Happiest moment is when my mother came out from the hospital after 1.5 years.
okay. So what went wrong
She met with an accident in the truck. My younger brother was in Rajasthan. He's studying in Rajasthan planning, and while coming back in the midnight around, she get an accident with the truck. So she was completely her face is damaged, her liver is damaged completely, and all the glass was on the face. That happened. It take 1.5 years to recover. Sir.
oh.
The bone were fractures of the legs.
So where was your dad that time
My dad was with me in the Meerut only. We come to know in the Meerut bypass highway around NH 150 158. This accident was take place, and my because only my mother get a severe accident. Other two people got I mean fainted, and the one girl was in the condition to call. So the only person she know to call was my father only because the one family is in the complete in the car. So the only person she know is my father, and she called, and my father immediately rushed to there.
so what was your reaction in that time
I didn't know for a one day. For one day, I do not know what happened. My father just said, "Stay at the home, keep the door closed. I will tell you, update you. I will call you."
How
There's
old
some
were you
work.
then? How old
Pardon,
were you then?
pardon, sir.
How old were you then?
My age is 16, 17. 2011 is the year.
Okay, good. In your journey of education, there's been no NCC?
No, sir.
How come?
So I was not much aware of the NCC part, that even you can enroll into NCC even it is not in school by going to the NCC headquarters. So that was a new thing I come to know when I completed the graduation. When I come to know that NCC also gave the chance for going for the SSB. Then someone told me, "Arey, don't doesn't matter. You have in the college, do not have a college, go to the headquarters." Then I failed a mistake.
Okay. So you were totally ignorant about NCC.
Yeah, I have seen the uniform, but I am not aware of what is the job of them. I thought they are just doing an activity for their because they love it or something something. Then I come to know.
Right till through your college.
I have seen, but I do not know the advantage of NCC certificate at period of time.
जैसे वो आजकल केवड़िया चल पड़ेंगे थोड़े दिनों में तो देखते हो चल पड़ते हैं रोड पे जा रहे हैं तो केवड़िया जा रहे हैं
No,
वैसे
so that
एनसीसी
that's has a religious significance that in I'm because I'm Hindu, I'm well aware of that fact. And even my school was on that
but
highway
but
with
but being a Indian you should be aware of the NCC you were not aware of you just thought कि वो ड्रामेबाज कोई नौटंकी जा रही है
no, 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 no.
दिखाने के
I
लिए
completely aware the full form of that period of time when the girls were only allowed in our school and National Cadet Corps. But
oh,
for anything you want to do in the life, you need to have a clarity of the goal or excitement to do or feel something. That point of time, arm wrestling is nowhere in the country. Even if I told someone, my parents told me, मेरा बेटा arm wrestling करता है, क्या करता है? So there was a little, you need to clear on that. But I have a zeal. I find out I did it. That time I do not have a zeal. I didn't able to find. Even after my BTech, thought कि somewhere if I can do, I can do. But there's a no. In the first you need to.
okay fine so now coming Shubham to your routine and your hobbies and interests. I've heard of enough of arm wrestling about 100 times from you in the past
Yes, sir.
some time. So tell me about your daily routine on a normal working day and on a normal holiday. Otherwise, what is your routine exactly? You said you are a mechanical design engineer and an educator.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So both of it, and you're getting a handsome salary of about nearly touching 2 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
170, so to say.
Yes, sir.
That's very good at your young age. What better? You might not get this type of money in the armed forces.
I know. I'm well aware, sir.
If you're aware, then won't that be a loss for you?
Sir, I realized in my period of life, the money can put a food on your table, but not the satisfaction of the mind, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir, I realized this fact, sir.
Okay, that's heavy thoughts. So, what do you do as a mechanical design engineer?
Sir, if you allow me, should I continue with the routine part, sir, or should I go with the song, sir?
No, I'm just asking you a random question.
Okay, so as a mechanical design engineer, my position over there is squad leader. So, being a squad leader, I have a squad of 8, and it goes 1 plus 1 minus 1, it goes
Okay, I'll
everywhere.
come back to this later.
Okay.
And what about the educator part of it?
Educator part, because I have cleared the defense exams also, so I got a call from one of the premier institute, so to teach over there online only, and that's how, sir, I got there, sir.
So, where is that? Which is that Premier Institute, so to
uh,
say?
so it's an academy, sir.
Oh, it's Premier. That's good. Okay, fine. So, what do you teach in an academy?
So my job is to teach over there the vocab part and idioms part, sir.
Okay, that's very nice. So, we'll come back to that. So, now tell me your routine on a normal working day and your holidays, and how do you handle life?
Okay. So my normal day routine start at the 5 a.m. So between the 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. as I just started my fitness again. So in that period I do that, sir. With that by 8 a.m. I get ready with all the bath work and everything, get freshen up. And 8 a.m. before my work start at 10 a.m. I just mail my team what to do when the day started so that they do not have a wastage of time. And same in the case where I have as an educator, I have to manage the time. I hire some people so that my work get easy. And over there they take care of the material part of written material part. So I also mail them. And after that 10 a.m., whatever, if there's a meeting scheduled from the last day, so we conduct the meeting. And if there's no work, I have just got a mail, I start with my work, make sure the deadline is reached, and make sure before the lunch part, 12:30, I do that part of whatever the half day is required, and the deadline is there. And after that, at the 12:30 p.m. in the lunch part, which is of around 1 hour and a half hour, so I conduct the class on an academy, sir, which is there need to be there. And after there, sir, after doing this, my job again started as a mechanical design engineer. Over there, I complete the rest of the part, and the job might done at around 6 p.m. And after that 6 p.m., my job is to do what my main aim is, to join armed forces. So I also take care that this part is also in a consistent, even chahe thoda thoda chalta rahe, but I make sure of it. And after the night around 8:30 and 9:30, I like to read a book, which is my hobby, sir. And by then I like to sleep. And if there's some period where I need to shoot an interview for the YouTube, then I make a schedule of it and make sure that is done in the time of Sunday or some in the free time, sir.
Very good.
And at the 10:30 I sleep, sir.
That's wonderful. So you knock off at 10:30 and get up at 5.
Yes, sir.
That's wonderful. What about your holidays?
So the holidays almost remain same, because because in the COVID period, our company didn't have any kind of work, and the China Shanghai part is only open, and our company is getting only the revenue from there only. So now there's a air bubble has been there. So the some countries like New Zealand, Australia, France, except India, South Asia part, we are getting works. So maybe there we have a Sunday, but over there that's a working day, so we work. So as such, we are trying to catch our profit back, sir. So that day remains same, sir.
So as a squad leader, what are your responsibilities?
Being a squad leader, my role is to make sure first the whatever the work assigned by the manager is to be done. Secondly, if there's a absence of manager and there's a need of a squad leader to represent the team or a company, I do that, sir, in front of the client. And make sure with the development team, if the new project has come, to make sure that response to the client with the minimum price possible, that we can design this with the development team. And the last work is to distribute the work within the squad leader and find out the right talent in my team, so that I can bring out to the position of squad leader, sir.
No, that's wonderful. That's very challenging. And I admire you that you're handling two hats at one time, one with Unacademy and the other over there. But it's damn good
Thank you, sir.
what you're doing, and your routine is chocker blocked, and also you're preparing for your armed forces.
Thank you, sir.
Do you think you need to modify the schedule in any which way?
Sir, I somewhat feel there's a need of modification. Somewhat the lunch part is too hectic. As I told, in the lunch part, I'm taking the class. So it became hectic. I miss my lunch sometimes. So either I have to take a meal early in the morning, or sometime I miss it. I have to just take care of the water or maybe fruits. That's it. So there's the need of it. There's a
That's good.
fixation.
That's good determination. That's good determination. Very impressive.
Thank you.
Good. So holidays, Sunday, Monday, one and the same thing. Natha Singh, Prem Singh.
Right now, sir, yes. The company has paid us when the COVID is there. So now it's our job to pay back, sir.
Yeah, that's a wonderful thought. And what about the time zones with other countries like New Zealand and other countries is totally off. So din ka raat ka subah, subah ka
No,
raat.
we do not have a work with the US. That's the plus point we have right now. There's still not air bubble with the US. So we have a +2 and -2, more so with the Australia, New Zealand, France, and China. So +2 -2 happens, sir. Not big. The working hours, maybe it goes 6 to 7. It can happen, but not more than that. 7, 8, or if the job is high, then 9 max. Done.
So Shubham, you've done well. You say you like to read.
Yes, sir.
You spend about an hour or so reading.
Yes, sir.
So what do you read?
Sir, I like to read about the area of where I like to do improvement. So in that kind of books, the category called self-help books, sir. Or in the short form, the people call sir DIY also. So I can get improve in my area, in my personality, sir, basically.
So isn't it a case of all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy?
Sir, I completely agree. Somewhat my habit has been break. Now I just started my jogging part so that I get a rebound to that, sir. Uh, so I'm working on that, sir.
So you are accepting that you are a dull boy?
Not a dull boy, but a dull mind become when you do not have any fitness, sir. For sure, I
No,
realized in this COVID
it's
period, sir.
not only fitness, but carrying in and day out in zombie mode, Sunday, Monday, Natha Singh, Prem Singh, everything, same thing.
Today
So,
it is looking like a zombie, but I realized so many things in that how to manage team well, even if you do not have a team. At that time, I thought when the office said go home and start work from there. So I was completely blank. It's a mechanical design engineering job. I need my attention over there. If the design went wrong, what to do? So that area has improved me, and somewhat the
one,
company also helped it, sir, to reduce the cost, sir.
how nice. So your entire time play,
Yes, sir.
be it a Monday, be it a Sunday, be it a holiday, be it a working day, your entire time play is focused into doing your job,
Yes, sir.
doing your job well,
Yes, sir.
wearing two hats and doing your job.
Yes, sir.
One as a squad leader and other the people you've employed to present yourself in an academy
Yes,
the
sir.
way you should be presenting,
Yes, sir.
you know. So that's very great. So what is the ultimate aim which you're leading to? To become an officer in the defense forces?
Yes, sir. The ultimate aim is to become the officer in the defense forces, sir.
Is it that or is it something else?
It is that only, sir. It's completely inclined to that. The educator part only came because I thought promotions were delayed or cancelled for some reason. So I thought maybe the salary will also cut out. And I'm not in a government job, then my job is secure. Doesn't
Oh,
matter what happens.
I'm not getting into that trap with you. I'm not getting into that trap with you.
Okay.
Okay. Um, you have to grant me what I am, and you have to grant me what I know.
Okay.
I will not let a candidate go up a garden path, and I will follow that.
Sir, I'm
Okay.
really sorry if I put the signal like
No, no,
that,
no,
sir.
no, 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 nothing to be sorry, Shubham. It's great. What I am trying to get you at is that रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में सुबह 5 बजे से लेके शाम के 10:30 बजे तक, and then is your sleeping time where you dream and you dream of your success. But what you're dreaming of your success to be an officer in the armed forces, you are devoting the least time. So isn't there a mismatch?
No, sir, it's not a mismatch. Mismatch, I mean to say, when there's a long-term goal, there's a need of consistency more than the time you have put it. If
Long
I
term goal means
long-term goals to clear SSB to join armed forces is there. So I know for the last 1 year the direct entry is being closed. I'm not getting it, and when I realize I have to be prepared. Even my age is getting over. Maybe the one chance I will get, maybe at 26 and a half. But I have to be ready, like a sniper gun, to put the my finger on the trigger and give small time in a chunk, and it will help me for sure today or tomorrow. That's how, sir. With that motivation, I keep working, sir.
okay. So that is it. So what are your hobbies? You said
So my hobbies is reading, uploading videos on YouTube, sir. These are the main two hobbies of mine, sir.
okay. So reading, I'm sure it helps you because you are looking into your own DIYs
Yes, sir.
and other things, which is surely going to help you, and it's developing your personality. And Unacademy also develops your personality, so to say.
Yes, sir.
You know, because it definitely speaks good English and it sells well.
Yes, sir.
Uh, but I leave it at that. And what is your contribution been in the field of being an educator?
So my field, the one thing which I found a difficulty over the every student is in the 20 at the age of 21 they have to have a job to have independence and make sure that they clear the exam with that only. So maybe they are some of the students who are not watching live. So I make sure of it that they even get a comfort, even they are watching offline. So they have a very good clarity. And in the meanwhile I also give the motivation talk how to gel with the time schedule, how to make sure that you clear your long-term goals, sir.
So this long-term goal is really not long.
Yes,
It's
sir, I
really
agree
not
on this part.
long. Because if you consider it long, the train leaves the platform and you're left on the platform.
Yes, sir, I agree. I agree
And
somewhere, sir.
and in the SSB, Shubham, you really don't realize what hit you where and how it hit you, and जोर का झटका धीरे से लगा, and you are recommended or you're not recommended.
Yes, sir, I agree on that, sir.
So if that is actually your aim, then it's not very convincing for me that your routine should be this.
Okay.
So if that be so, what is so different from you? Which is a very obvious question which everyone asks, and I'm also going to ask you. What is so different this time in your attempt for SSB vis-a-vis the earlier attempts?
Sir, in this whole period of time, my screen out numbers are large numbers, and I realized that the assertiveness in the entire SV is very important. So, first thing I did while developing my communication skill, my assertiveness should be there when it is needed, sir, which I developed, sir. The second thing I realized somewhat my imagination part was somewhere lacking because that period of time I stopped reading the books or was not reading at all, or maybe only textbook. So I developed the habit of reading, so that my imagination should be increased, this thing. And third thing, sir, which I realized, the G2 task was there, as the assertive pass is also there, but you need to be make sure that you when there's a need, you work passive and active both, not active because it's a group task. That I understood three things, sir, and now I personally believe that it will help me, sure, sir, in this attempt, sir.
So you never did this earlier?
Sir, I know assertive pass for lately. I understand there isn't something called assertiveness is there when you need to be very firm. And the GTO part I understand early, but my skin was not clear, so that remain untouched, sir.
So you have, as per your PIQ form, attempted 7 times.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many times were you screened out and how many times were you not recommended?
5 times I am screened out, and 2 times I was conference, sir. Conference out, sir.
2 times you were conference out. Conference out is a term which I propagate that there's no term.
Okay,
This is a
I'm really
term
sorry.
which
Recommended.
comes out from the. I'm very famous for that, to ridicule the offline academies and certain YouTube channels also. But there is no word called conference out. It's
Okay.
not recommended. And if it's recommended and you're coming again, it is either for your medical or it is for your merit out.
Right. Okay, sir.
So you 4 times screened out and
So 5 times I like to correct over there, sir. 5 times.
5 times screened out and twice.
Conference also.
Okay, so maybe there's an error in your PIQ form also, because you mentioned only 2 times,
No,
out of
sir.
which
JCO sir has told us just to put the conference over there because the seven you have mentioned, so us as officer will understand by himself only.
oh, okay, okay, okay. So these misperceptions always continue, whereas actually it is the whole thing has to be listed out.
Okay, sir.
No worries on that. Whatever he's told you is fine. I won't contradict that. But it has to be written like that. So
Okay, sir.
okay, 5 times screened out. So 5 times you hit your head on the wall and came back at 1 o'clock after lunch.
Yes, sir.
That is sad. So this realization or this loss of time, are you aware what it's cost you?
It's cost me a lot, a lot. But I realize that I have a very much clarity what I want to do, and I need to take care of my bread and butter also. So I make sure that I do well in my job also. And meanwhile, what my goal is, keep it as the first priority, and whatever needed to do is I will do so. So that's how it's up.
Okay. So you're a very patient man, but sometimes you get impatient also, which I can make out. And so I won't leave it at that,
Okay.
Shubham. I won't leave it at that. So 5 times consecutively you were screened out?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you do some soul searching? If at all, what was that? In each time, tell me.
So the first time in the first attempt, I realized that maybe in the conference of first attempt as an Indian Navy, I got in by chance. Maybe you found something, but for me, I was not prepared, not much prepared according for me screening. But the second time I realized that I have aggressiveness in myself. There's aggressiveness. Consecutive attempts, somewhat desperation is also developed. I want to join the armed forces. कैसे नहीं होगा? So I understood that part. Then the third part, when I realized that with desperation, I was always like GD में तो बोलना ही बोलना है, चाहे कुछ हो जाए. So even my the way of presenting was not there. So in the consecutive two attempts, it happened this thing. So majorly, and the one more thing is myths. OR has no rule, only narration is counted. Such kind of things also myths were there. So that also take my time also. So I have to demyth and learn the new thing, unlearn the old things, and learn these things happen, sir. That's all over the screen, sir.
After you got that realization, you went into and you got started getting into
Results,
stage
sir.
two.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what do you think? How have you reached the interview stage? What was your claim to fame or your success in stage one?
Sir, it's pretty good of a clear understanding that you have to perform well in all the tasks equally, and you need to be assertive when needed, and a person of the group. If you're not a person of group, surely you will get out, because then the armed forces there's no one hero. So don't try to be hero.
No, that is little vague.
Okay.
I'm talking to you about your SSB which you're facing now, and you have cleared your stage one and come into stage two, and you're now on GTO 1 day. So I am trying to ask you that what is it that you did so well in stage one that made you get into stage two?
Uh, 2 to 3 things I take care. The one, my story should be right and firmly and confidently I have narrated. Secondly, I have make sure that I will go ahead with the group with a one common story and help the group to build one story, and this helped me out, sir, and perform well in the OIR, sir. The making sure of 1 or 2 OIR ratings, sir. That's helped me out, sir.
Okay. So that's very nice. And Shubham, few more questions.
Okay, sir.
Few more questions.
Okay, sir.
Getting back to your interest on making web series and YouTubes, you have been doing that. You have been seeing, you have been observing. Where have you got this term assertiveness from?
Sir, I got assertiveness is from one of with my experience also. I heard it, but there was educator of named Colonel Rehal, and I heard from him, sir. He has one course on an academy also, so I'm well aware he is there. So I learned from there, sir. Assertiveness is needed, sir.
Okay. So out of the all the qualities which you feel assertiveness is the best quality?
Best for me, yes, because I do not have a realization of that part. But there are
Okay.
other qualities also, sir, which are equally important to it, sir.
Okay. So other qualities means what?
So one person must have a confidence, because the one person is not confident, so it's not going to help. The second thing is the reasoning ability is there, sir. I heard in my journey is the mother of all OLQ. This need to be taken care. And the third thing is social adaptable and gel with the group, sir. If I think any of these qualities is not there, somewhere it's a difficulty for a person, sir. That's a equal level they keep, sir.
And doesn't assertiveness overdo you by taking you into aggressiveness and becoming arrogant?
So it's a very thin line over there. Assertiveness with the politeness should be come out, sir.
Okay.
When it is needed, whom it is needed, you are sitting with the elder, what to do, how to do. It is need to be taken care of that, sir.
So tell me of one situation in your family when you've been sitting together, though your routine doesn't say that. It doesn't even mention once about your parents or time with your sibling, your younger brother, though he's doing PhD. Not even once in your entire routine, in your, it's only me, and me. It's nothing to do with your family. It's nothing to do with your sibling. It's okay, you do routine jobs. When you do it, you open the car, you open the gate, you tell your dad to go and say bye to him and all that. बट उसके अलावा आपकी रूटीन में कहीं कुछ फिगर नहीं हुआ अबाउट योर सिबलिंग अबाउट योर ब्रदर what is your contribution to your brother and what is his contribution towards you? Could you
Uh,
tell me that?
yes, I apologize. मैं वो mention नहीं कर पाया. मैं माफी चाहता हूँ, sir. So I like to firmly tell that yes, there's no as particular time. But being in a home, my brother is also in at home. He's doing PhD. So we get a little time. When he get tired, he come to my room. भैया आप फ्री हो गया? 2 मिनट बात हो जाए. ऐसे ही हम बातें कर लेते हैं. मजे मजाक करने का दोनों को भाई को शौक है. So is there. He also share his work. He's working on the blockchain part. So he tell we have blockchain, you'll be then boom like a internet. He tells a certain story. Same way I tell about his the job. He also interested. Same way I have taken care of with the family of the. I don't ask about the parents, but with that parents also I take care of, sir. That with the end I make sure my parents both like has the pain is there. So I make sure my brother take care of my father like I take care of my mother like. So that's how we get at the night at 10:30 around before sleeping we get a time to invest together, sir.
So one question you missed out that बच्चा तो बच्चा ही है. है ना? माँ बाप तो माँ बाप ही हैं.
जी.
So when you have a problem, you never answered that. Who do you get back to? Your dad or your mom?
So there's no as such. First of all, my age is very mature, of age 25. Now my parents talk about my marriage, so I do not personally feel that for every small thing I should, tell them. So I personally like to figure out myself. But there's something which I do not know completely, then I make sure that I ask my parents. Like this was a land buying thing. So my dream was before I get married, I must have my own land and my house. So that I tell my parents that I have somewhat kind of dreams. So they have buy their own house. So I asked what is the procedure of it. Then somewhat their role has came play. They told me how to do, what to do, how much cost it takes, and everything. And then we proceed further, sir. So their role comes when I do not have a knowledge for the source of knowledge, like to.
Good. But I asked you specifically, who do you fall back upon? Whether is it your dad or your mom?
No.
Assertiveness, assertiveness.
Sir, assertiveness with I like to say with assertiveness, there's no one, not one. But I like to say yes, they are a source of different kinds of inspiration. The what you see, the hectic schedule and done manage well, I learned from my mother. She's a working lady. She's worked and she managed home, and that time she has taken the take care of PTM meeting, her job, her household work, everything. With that, I learned the calmness, sir. So I cannot say this one thing, there's a need of it. At the night, I sit with my parents and both, I tell them whatever if there's something in my life. They always welcome my words, sir. So there's no as such there, sir.
Okay. So, Shubham, that's great, but a few words about your general awareness.
Okay, sir.
What are the benefits of the pandemic?
Benefit of pandemic is to discover the new world of digitalization, sir. Our honorable prime minister was talking about it, sir. Luckily, this pandemic has played a very good role, sir. Our honorable prime minister, one of his speech has told this is a new discovery for ourselves, where we, a 100 crore population, will be take over the digitalization and become the number one in that, sir. This
Excellent.
is the one thing, sir. The second thing, the new industries has come up. I'm sure you are well aware of the Facebook ads and Insta ads where you have shown take 99 rupees course and so digital coach industry has boom up, sir, which is again going to be a new boom industry beside the IT industry. This service industry will one more service industry will develop, sir, in India. This is the second part, sir. Third, if I like to say, sir, the um, one thing is that you come to know that even in the worst situation you have to stood together, doesn't matter what religion, caste, creed is there. The COVID-19 pandemic is there. Our honorable prime minister asked this is a time for the unity, not to fight, not to do anything. All the state has to work together, then only we can curb that, sir. And we are there, sir. The two waves has come but we curve that, sir. These are all the benefits, sir.
You mean if the waves hadn't come, India would have been divided?
Sir, I didn't say that. The every opportunity, every situation is a blessing if you feel.
Yeah. And what are the drawbacks of the pandemic?
Our economy is down. Our honorable prime minister aim was 5 trillion economy, sir. It
For
was down.
for for a while, give the prime minister a rest. Talk about yourself.
Okay, sir. For me, the one is health, sir. Somewhere
Yes.
my daily habit of jogging was stopped, and to pick up that was a big problem. Second, somewhat my own, for example, my maid was there, which come for the work. She can't come, and her household income was, and she come to the. There's no digitalization. How about it? Third thing, we can't provide food to for in my case when I was in the COVID-19 pandemic, my total realization was for the food was on the mess when I was in Pune and complete shutdown. So for I remember for 1 month I have to take care of the food from the like fruits only which is available. One family has noticed in my building that this guy is taking only living on the food by looking in the garbage box. So then I get a chance, but otherwise for me it's a difficult that time. That's also.
And what about for the generation younger than you? What has been the biggest problem?
So biggest problem for the younger generation than me is the one if they 11 12 they board or were cancelled. They somewhere there the cycle which was there for the career has been broken right now. This is a big problem for them. Secondly, the time where there's a need of development in their growth, it's stopped. For me, it's okay. I will get 1 more inch of fat, but then for their height, their bone size, their bone density have been stopped because no physical activities.
Okay, great. And what about for the generation younger than that?
Generation younger, that's the only one thing is for them, they can't run, they can't walk. The one thing is there is that their health, sir. The one of the most vulnerable people who get infected with the COVID-19 is either too old or too young. This is the only thing, sir.
What about the eyes? The great digital India. What about the eyes?
Sir, this is I miss it, sir, and because I wear the glasses, I think because for me it's an older thing, so for me it doesn't more much impact more. But I think the country has realized this fact also, that digitalization is there, so the eye will also impact. So take the gap from that.
No, but I'm not talking about India. I'm not talking about digitalization. I've just mentioned that. But what about the children of age 3 and 4 who have started wearing spectacles?
Yes, this is an issue, sir. This is overlooked by me, but yes, this is an issue, sir. It's surely an issue, sir.
You see, that is the whole thing. You touched upon it very rightly to say the health is an issue. But in the health, the eyes are the biggest casualty
Yes, sir, you're absolutely right, sir.
in terms of growth. So, Shubham, you've done well. You've done exceedingly well. I must compliment you on that. And now that I've finished your questions and your answers and everything like that, uh, just let me give you a hypothetical situation.
Okay, sir.
You are here in Allahabad with me,
Yes, sir.
and let me elevate you to become the DM of Allahabad. And the Kumbh Mela is going to be held next year. So, what is the preparations you're going to do? So, take me on as the DM, you as the DM. What are the preparations you're going to do for the Kumbh Mela in Allahabad, जो 12 साल बाद आता है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So for the first and foremost, I make sure that the whole Kumbh Mela is taken care with the social distancing, which is the foremost important. Otherwise, the one more wave will start, sir.
We just forget that there is a pandemic.
Okay,
I make life simple for you.
okay.
Yeah.
So the for the first thing, I will take care of the all the emergencies, sir. First, the police force, medical, and the fire brigade, sir. All should be there, sir. In the first priority, I will inform them there's something like this, sir. I will also tell them about the capacity, what is needed to be there, and what need to be taken care. So they should be available there, sir. With that, in this need to be coordination with the all the temples, that what is the requirement of them, so that even there's no such kind of pandemic conditions there, but in the crowd accidents happen, and we don't want because someone step on someone or the crowd step on, we don't want that.
Good.
So proper
Good.
channelizing of this should be happen, sir. Second, what take care we keep the shop away from the place a little at a distance from the temples, so that the first thing they take the whatever they need, they buy it, and then stand in the queue properly, sequentially with the time which come, they do their offering, whatever is needed, and then they do so. With that, sir, we also take care of one thing which I forgot to mention, sir, in the emergency is the lifeboat if there's a need in the Kumbh Mela, sir. Because if there's some happening is there, we are the lifeboat or lifemen should take care of that, sir. And complete bathing should be take care that women should also feel secured, sir. The accident or a mishappening can happen, so we take care that the bathing should be divided in a part, one part for the men and the other part for the women. And make sure of the meeting points, sir, so that the family do not separate in that, because certain kind of happening happen over there, sir. So we take care of that, sir. And with that, sir, I like to also add that there should be a proper announcement channel, so that if there's something happen and we need to alert them, it should be there, and it should be at a proper distance, so that in the crowd noise should not get lowered, sir. That's all I will, sir, take care of that, sir. And with that, I think, sir, I have taken the cover of everything, sir.
So this Kumbh Mela comes after 12 years.
Yes, sir.
So what do you think the magnitude of this Kumbh Mela would be in terms of population?
Sir, it will be in thousands,
Thousands?
thousands, hundreds and more. Hundreds, though it's not possible. It will be in thousands, sir. I've seen the crowd.
How many thousands? It can be 1,000 or it can be
It can be
100,000.
more than 1,000.
No,
More 1,000 plus. I cannot say 2,000, 3,000. I never.
you are the DM, you should say.
I will prepare for the worst. I will keep it for 10,000 crowd.
Total.
Total, I will keep maximum 10 to 10,000 to Limit, yes, max to max 10,000, 20,000. That's the limit. I will take care of it so that I will can take care of all the crowds.
Okay.
Best of my knowledge, sir, I like to say that little unawareness I have now how much crowd, but I am aware that huge crowd is there, not small crowd. So maybe 1920 it can happen, sir, over there, sir, or then the crowd calculation, sir.
So is there a requirement of setting up a tented camp? I will not give it to you that it's 10,000. I can say it is 10 lakh.
Okay.
So if it is 10 lakh, the population which is going to come there for a couple of days and do their Shahi Ishnan and other things in a place like Allahabad,
Yes, sir.
जहाँ वो नागा साथ भी आते हैं और सब कुछ आता है
Yes,
and
sir.
हमारा भारत महान, so there's this political activism also in that.
Yes, sir.
So it comes into lakhs.
Oh, I'm really
They,
sorry, sir, for
they
the
flow in
miscalculation.
and flow out of the Kumbh Mela in lakhs. So is there some arrangements for accommodation which have to be made?
Sir, arrangement for accommodation should be there, but it should be a very clear of the privatization and online booking should be taken care. That there should be not some VIP. Yes, VIP days should be, but it should not be like one can book everything and there's no other common people feel a difficulty or
So
elder people face this.
what are you going to do about it as a DM?
Yes, sir. I'm really sorry, sir. I missed it, sir. So what I will take care, I make sure that Allahabad Kumbh Mela has a separate portal which has this accommodation booking also there. Plus, make sure for the elders there is a taxi service also there if there's need of it. Plus, if from the government there's a need of the service plus extra for their health because some are cannot walk properly, so there should be kind of service should be there and taken care that there should be a no dispute of the bed or something. Then the commodity price should be keep low and fair and transparent to everyone so that on the website it should be visible how many beds are left.
So a district magistrate of Allahabad, you will be only talking about digital things and about bookings.
Sir, I'm really sorry. Being an engineer, my words
Where
only
is
come.
your no? You don't have to be sorry. You have to be an all-rounder if you have to come into the armed
Yes,
forces.
sir. I will say.
Where is the planning of the tented camp going to take place? The physical tented camp, okay,
Yes.
and their so to say their washroom requirements, so to say their food requirements, so to say the traffic management which you rightly brought out, so to say the emergency care, and so to say the movement from because when they start flowing, you've seen the Kumbh Mela.
Yes, sir.
It happened in the second wave,
Yes, sir.
irrespective of the government passing all its fancy orders. Still there was so much of in our great country. So in this sort of a situation, where do you stand?
So first of all, thank you so much. You have rightly pointed out all the things which I missed, and I have to take care. If I like to, if you give me the permission, I like to add those things. So these things to be clear in the first hand with the emergency, because these are things which make that proper arrangement for them. Because the washroom is needed, so we will keep a mobile toilets over there. Again, separated men and women.
Okay, fine. I've grilled you enough on this.
Yes,
Uh, Shubham, I must say you've done well.
thank you,
So
sir.
tell me three of your weaknesses.
So three of my weaknesses, I like to say the one thing is I have a little verbosity issues there. I'm sure you have also noticed that, sir.
I haven't.
Okay,
Okay.
that's great, sir. I'm very happy then, sir. And the second thing, sir, I like to say I like to improve my daily life organization skills, sir. Because somewhere the lunch is an issue, I understand, and somewhere sleep sometimes also get hampered, sir. The third thing I like to understand or like to know the knowledge about how to use the manpower significantly, or I mean more appropriately, so that I can use of my team best, and they the best will also come from their side also, sir. These three things that I like to improve in myself, sir.
So what are you doing in that direction?
So in that direction and little verbosity, I have make sure that my presentation is more precise and more in the short or in few words. I take care. So I take care in my presentation regularly. Sir. Secondly, in the organizing of my daily life, I start making a task sheet day before. What can be postponed for one more day if it possible, because catching everything is not possible. So these things I taken care of, sir, and still improving. If some there's need of chart or some flow chart need to be there, I take care of the small things. And And then the third thing, learning of the manpower. I was with the team HR. I have discussed with him. With that, I have also take care of the books. Some of the books I start selecting what to read, what not to read, so that. And meanwhile, with my own experience, I make sure that I use their time significantly. What are their clock hours are, so that they do not feel overtime. There's a one thing which I'm taking care. That's why I've taken a leave before the start of day at 10 a.m. I make sure that every email to every team person is being sent before 10 a.m. so that they can start their work.
Okay. So that's well covered. And Shubham, I must compliment you. And where do you move from here?
So from here, if everything went well, then medical sir, and if not, then the home sir.
But tomorrow you have a GTO 2.
Yes sir.
So what are the tasks left for GTO 2?
Sir, the command tasks are left, and the group planning is also left, sir, over there, sir.
Okay, so that's very nice. I want to congratulate you on a job well done.
Thank you,
Any
sir.
questions you'd like to ask me, Shubham?
Yes, sir. One small thing. I always, whenever meet a armed force person, I get a goosebump. So, any instance if you would like to share, sir, I like to know what, sir.
Just hard work, passion, deliberation, determination, and whatever you grab, do it 110%. Don't do it 100%, do it 110%. And my 110% rule is, friends, and Shubham to you specially, is that whatever you get to do it to your 100%.
Okay, sir.
But more than that, if someone is tasking you something, look at him in the eye and try to read what he wants more than what he's telling you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And when you can read that by asking him once, twice, thrice in the task he's giving you, do it to your 100%. It may be his 60%. But then you're doing something extra which he hasn't told you to do. That will gain the respect of you as a subordinate in the eyes of the senior. And that is your way to success. So that is the 110% rule which you must follow. I have followed it all my life. And from the age of 16, when I joined the National Defense Academy till now, I'm following it. And that is what leads you to passion and determination.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the
That,
great words, sir.
that's it. Thanks, Shubham. Thank you for this interaction. You've done well. All the best to you.
Thank
See
you,
you
sir.
in the conference.
Thank
See
you,
you in
sir.
the conference. Bye.
यू जस्ट वॉच माई इंटरव्यू। आई होप आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा। पर अब ये है फीडबैक टाइम। जब फीडबैक की बात करी जाती है तो आपको एक बात समझने की जरूरत है कि आपका दिमाग काफी ओपन होना चाहिए। आई एम श्योर राइट नाउ अब तक आपका मेरे रिगार्डिंग पर्सपेक्टिव बन चुका होगा कि शुभम वाशने का इंटरव्यू कैसा गया है। बट आपको ये बात समझनी चाहिए कि एक अच्छे टीचर की खास बात ये नहीं होती खाली कि वो अच्छा पढ़ाता है, उसकी खास बात ये भी होती है कि वो जब पढ़ा रहा है तो क्या वो इस बात का ध्यान रख रहा है कि स्टूडेंट्स को अच्छी नॉलेज के साथ एक अच्छा फीडबैक भी मिले। और जब भी वो फीडबैक देता है तो वो बहुत ही हार्श होना चाहिए अपने फीडबैक देते वक्त, क्योंकि अगर उसे अपने स्टूडेंट को बेहतर नहीं बहुत बेहतर बनाना है तो उसको हमेशा हार्श होना होगा। वो 99.9.5 पे भी नहीं हो सकता कि भैया इतना चल जाएगा, नहीं, उसको यहां पर 100 तक लाने के लिए अपने स्टूडेंट को जहां तक स्ट्रेच करना पड़े वो करेगा। और अभी जब आप जनरल साहब को देखेंगे, जनरल एनपी सिंह साहब को, तो वो आपको यही करते हुए देखेंगे। वो यहां पर बोलेंगे कि शुभम तुमने एसएसबी को ये वाला जो राउंड है आईओ का ये तो निकाल लिया है, बट आपको उनके मुंह से काफी ज्यादा रियलिटी मिलेगी मेरे बारे में कि शिवम है क्या, शिवम को कहाँ इंप्रूव करने की जरूरत है। ठीक है, शिवम अच्छा है, बढ़िया है, उसका इंटरव्यू बहुत सही गया है, हो सकता है कि आने वाले एसएसबी में वो भी ऐसे ही परफॉर्म करे, बट ही नीड टू इंप्रूव बिकॉज ही इज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड नो ह्यूमन इज परफेक्ट। मुलाकात करते हैं अब दोबारा से जनरल साहब से और यहां पर उनका फीडबैक समझते हैं क्या है विद एन ओपन माइंड।
Great, Shubham. I must give you a feedback on your performance, which is absolutely going to be impartial and absolutely upfront,
Okay,
so
sir.
that you know it totally, doodh ka doodh, pani ka pani. Now, Shubham, you started off the interview very well. In your performance, in your appearance, you displayed a positive impact on the assessor. You have been able to impression manage in the beginning the assessor, in the sense by trying to impress him from your side, but it did not happen.
Okay.
Okay. You started off by telling me your education background, and you were a little shifty about your friends. You mentioned only three friends of different circuits, school, college, and beyond, and about one teacher first, and then the second one called SS Jawan. While I understand that you value your friends and you value them and all, but you were not able to bring out the negatives of them. Because when the friends are being asked by an assessor, whatever the assessor is asking and what he wants to hear from you is actually your negatives through your friends' views.
Okay, sir. That's a new thing for me, sir.
All right, it's
Yes,
just like the self-description story कि अपनी कहानी उनके जुबानी.
sir. Ji.
If what your friends think of you is actually what you're thinking your friend should think of you.
Okay.
So that is why they ask you your best friend and your friend who has some, like maybe you're a day scholar and I gave you a boarder's hint. So in that boarding or in that hostel, that guy, your roommate, whoever he was, Deepak, you know, he's got a habit of not going too extreme, but smoking,
Hmm.
which you don't appreciate. So how did you get him out of that habit of smoking too much? Not by giving him a bhashan ke bhai cigarette mat piyo, but were you able to get around your other friends and tell him and then guide him that it's not good for health and it's a waste of money and this that in these hard times and plus so that sort of a thing never came out. Whereas it is always there in every friend. You also went into the time bracket of your friends, whereas the assessor doesn't see it that way. You know, he wants the friend and he wants उसमें क्या खूबियां हैं और क्या नहीं खूबियां. To be precise, you yourself said verbosity, which is very much there in you because you have a good command of English. Your power of expression is high. That is one of the 15 qualities which are very good in you.
Thank you, sir.
And because of that, you are able to go on and on and on. When it comes to your teacher, you spoke about mathematics. He did you well in class 10, but then thereafter you lost sight of him for your own reasons. It displayed a low sense of responsibility when it became a combination of your mother's sickness, her bad health, poor health, and you're getting into arm wrestling. And you coming up for your class 12 exam, which is very, very critical for you. So at that point in time, there was a low sense of responsibility, SOR, displayed. You did show initiative as a quality by going in for arm wrestling, but that initiative was shown in the wrong direction. While taking the interview and sitting in an SSB, you cannot show colors of a different career option which will go against you in the SSB, because the first 20-30 minutes was arm wrestling, arm wrestling, and arm wrestling,
Yes, sir.
and you're winning awards. That means a bit of a limelight seeker, and that reflects in your reasoning ability. While as an individual person, one feels that my reasoning ability is very high, but there's an element of tact, there's an element of adaptiveness which did not come up to you in that stage of your life. So there you went down. Okay. Then I asked you about your parents, family. In that, you were again very shifty. You did not show any organization ability. You did not show any signs of cooperation. You did mention friends. You know, you mentioned 3, 4 friends, and all those friends which you have there. But one common friend, which is good, was your Shubham Sharma. There were friends like Shubham Aditya and others, which you mentioned in passing. But then you started contradicting yourself. And that contradiction, that dilemma of contradiction, came about when you said that we have been helping out each other. But at the same time, you also said that I hid these things from my friends because I did not want them to know. Maybe it is your verbosity letting you down. But in that short time of an interview, you know, there may be very less opportunities for you to make amends. Here, I went on and on to probe you, and on there were contradictions. In many cases, when it came to your routine, okay, Shubham, in your routine also, in your routine, you started off very well. You said 5 o'clock, all that, business-like approach, cut and dry. You do this for this team. You're a squad leader. You task them, then you get on. All that is fine. But what are your human things which you are doing? You did mention jogging. You did mention physical activity. But what are the human things? Like Salman Khan's being human, na?
Yes, sir.
He wears it on his chest. As an officer, you also have to wear it on your chest invisibly. Those 15 qualities of being human, whether it is meditation, it is prayers, making a cup of tea for your younger sibling or your parents when the day starts off, those are things which show the element of cooperation in you. Here in your case, it was showing a self-centered approach. Main hi main, which reflects that yes, you are definitely a team man, but team man for your own personal gains. Not putting the team in front of your own personal aims. Here it is making you, it's pushing you to a point, driving you from the morning 5 to 10:30 in the evening, is your lust for doing well for your own personal self. But nowhere have you shown, Shubham, your qualities of a human being. That's why I probed you about your parents and others. Because your spare time activities, there has to be time to chill out, to recharge your batteries, which did not come about in you. And you got adequate time for that. You did, but yet it did not come out. Okay. Then comes your, which shows, and there were signs from your body language of lack of patience, which I hinted once, lack of patience and, signs of stress, which were coming up in you. And these signs of stress get magnified 10 times over when it actually comes when the stakes are high. Okay. Your factor two is your sense of responsibility, your cooperation, and your adaptability. That, no matter what you may say, is low. Your factor one, which is your effective intelligence, your reasoning ability, your organizing ability, and your power of expression, no doubt. These are all high. They did show signs of a dip in the beginning, but in the overall, when I sum up, your EI, your OA, your RA, and your POE is high. Your factor 2 is little low, lower than normal, which you need to work on. Then we come to your factor 3, which is the initiative, your speed of decision, your liveliness, all that is just there. It is just there. You have shown initiative. You have shown initiative by going in for arm wrestling to start with. Being an achiever in that, that's very, very creditable. But where it doesn't show in your PIQ or in the interview is your initiative towards the achievement of that so-called long-term goal. It's not a long-term goal, it's an immediate goal. The urgency of getting through your SSB should be an immediate goal, a short-term goal. Because if you plan for the long term for an SSB or for selection into the armed forces, it will never happen. It's okay for a class 10 guy to dream कि मैं 12वीं के बाद NDA में जाऊंगा. That is all right as a long term, but not seeing your age. So there, then comes your determination, your stamina, and your courage. Those factors, courage, no doubt, you have the courage, that's how you stepped out. Your determination is there because you showed me all that coming up in your planning for your Kumbh Mela. Okay? So in the overall, you are a cleared candidate from the interview side, but these are the qualities which I thought I must bring out to you, which will help you a lot.
सब यहाँ पर एक काउंटर क्वेश्चन करना चाहूंगा. अब जब फीडबैक की शुरुआत हुई थी, आपने थोड़ी सी तारीफ करते हुए फिर डाउन साइड ले गए. अब ये जो व्यूअर्स होंगे बड़े कंफ्यूज होंगे सर. जब आप कल ऐसा होगा, ये आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे, आई एम श्योर दे आर सीइंग द नंबर राइट नाउ ऑन द स्क्रीन. नाउ व्हेन यू टेल, यू सेड इन द लास्ट, शुभम यू आर क्लियर्ड, बट you tell also the negative part. Now how the situation you have seen the person, क्योंकि आपने recommended candidates भी देखे हैं और उनको नीचे जाते हुए देखा है, what you have seen the lack in their attitude कि एक सर ने क्लियर बोल दिया अरे खत्म. अब यहाँ पर सब जो डाउनफॉल के बाद जब अब जा रहे हैं ये, तो यहाँ पर उनको किन चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव सेड वंडरफुल थिंग जो मेरे अंदर अब इम्पार्ट हो गई है. रीड थ्रू द आईज व्हाट योर सीनियर्स वांट फ्रॉम यू. Now when I want, जब मैंने आपकी तरफ देखा, when I was listening very carefully, I realized he is not settled with the one thing I cleared him. I want him, ये better कर रहा है, ये और कर सकता है, तू और कर. Now I want to directly ask कि आप एक कैंडिडेट से सिंपल भाषा में क्या चाहेंगे कि वो आपके फीडबैक के बाद क्या करें? Simply listen, do it, जो हो गया ठीक है, क्या?
When he's in the SSB or when he's in the learning?
He's learning from you, sir.
Yeah, he's learning from me. In that case, he has to get into these qualities in his daily life, and he has to change. When I say those things, when I have to take you through the feedback, through the journey of your feedback, I have to say where you're coming down and when you're going up. Now, I don't want to give you the satisfaction of cleared by me as an IO. At a different level of 90 only, not at 110.
जी.
Okay, that figure work you will never understand.
सब जाने की हमें जरूरत नहीं है, but आपने
No,
जब
but let me finish it now.
Yes sir.
When I say cleared by me,
Yes sir.
cleared at this stage of your SSB, when you go to the conference, I do have certain drawbacks also written over here
Yes
of
sir.
you.
Yes sir.
But if they get magnified, which they will, and you will see it, when you get magnified by the psychologist and by the GTO, then there is nothing stopping me from saying, I don't agree.
That's a
So
very impressive one.
it is not the end of the story, Shubham. कि इंटरव्यू हो गया तो इंटरव्यू में क्लियर हो गए तो हो गए, नहीं होंगे. There is the fourth technique called the conference, which many aspirants lose sight of. Because I, in my honor code as an interviewing officer, will not discuss chest number 7, Shubham Varshni, with the GTO, with the psychologist. It will only be discussed when chest number 6 is done with and Ghanti bajti hai chest number 7 ki. Before chest number 7, Shubham Varshni comes into the conference room. That is the time all the three of them on the conference room board, which is behind Shubham Vashni when he will be sitting, उसके ऊपर लगा होता है result. It is projected over there. So it is the psychologist giving out the marks first. He will say 9-3. That is clear. GTO will say 7-2. And I will say 9-0. It will still add up to 2-4-0. Then you're discussable. Say the psychologist also says 6-5. And the GTO says 7-0. And I say 9-0. Khalas. Khatam. You don't even are discussed. So मैं आपको clear तो कर दूं. But if you don't perform in the others, or if some qualities don't get highlighted, or one quality gets highlighted, someone has told you about assertiveness, but please ask that gentleman, what is courage? One small mistake of courage in that field, and you will never clear your SSB. You show थोड़ी सी हिचकिचाहट ऐसे करके ना in your GTO ground, and जयराम जी की वापस, तो उसने तुरंत कह देना he lacks courage. If I grill you on courage by asking you a question in your interview, and you say I will run away, you lack courage. And if I say you lack courage, and the GTO says yes sir, he lacks courage, फिर आप कहाँ जाओगे? So the point is, what the people have to carry forward from this interview is that each technique has to be respected. It is not that you have cleared your SSB because of the interview. It is a combination of all three.
Okay, sir.
I may see an apple called Shubham Vashni to be very good. The side view of that apple may be thoda sa daba hua is the psychologist, and the backside view of that apple, the GTO may find it rotten. So in the net effect, that apple will not be bought.
True, sir.
ये बात है.
सर मैं एक बात कंफर्म करना चाहूंगा, आपने तीनों के बारे में बात की है, क्या तीनों की नॉलेज आपसे मिल सकती है? इज इट पॉसिबल? तीनों की नॉलेज, जैसे मॉक इंटरव्यू तो चलिए यहाँ पर आपको स्टूडेंट्स को देखने को मिल रहा है एंड दे आर वेरी इंप्रेस्ड कि मेरे को चाहिए, जनरल साहब से मिल रहा है मुझे चाहिए, बट कैन वी गो विद द साइक आल्सो सर? साइकोलॉजी,
of course,
sir.
Of course. In the psych, it is a straight shot. We in the Defense Institute of Psychological Research, where we are trained, we are taught them. And there is no reason, and my results are showing it, what I am doing nowadays. The depth to which I can handle a guy face to face and tell him, and he gets to know, is my strength.
Thank you so much sir for a valuable time. That's a honor for me कि मुझे इतना बड़ा interaction करने को मौका मिला, and thank you so much for a lovely feedback.
No, Shubham, I hope you have gained from this, because this is actually the fact. And I hope and pray to God Almighty that success be always with you.
Thank you, sir.
And I will continue to serve. Thank you.
अभी आपने मेजर जनरल एनपी सिंह साहब से पूरी की पूरी मुलाकात की, करीबन 1 से 1.5 घंटा हो चुका होगा, आई एम श्योर. अगर आप भी अपना स्काइप इंटरव्यू चाहते हैं तो मेक श्योर आप इस नंबर पे कॉल करें. पर मैं कहूंगा खाली स्काइप की बात ना करें, स्टेज 1 की बात करें उनसे, साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट की बात करें, स्काइप इंटरव्यू तो बता ही दिया, जीटीओ भी है. ये सभी चीजों में आप एनरोल हो सकते हैं, और जब आप एनरोल होंगे तो आपको काफी ज्यादा बेनिफिशियल होगा, क्योंकि यहां पर खास बात यह है कि मेजर जनरल ही आपको फीडबैक देंगे. समझ लो मैं क्या कह रहा हूं? मैं कह रहा हूं कि आप लोग एनरोलमेंट लेने के बाद आपको जो फीडबैक मिलेगा वो मेजर जनरल रैंक के इंसान से मिलेगा, मतलब खुद इनसे ही मिलेगा, इतनी बड़ी रैंक वाले इंसान से मिलेगा. तो ये बहुत बड़ा मौका होता है. और मैं आपको याद दिला दूं कि जब आप इस नंबर पे डायल कर रहे होगे तो आपको एक ऐसे इंसान से मुलाकात होगी जो ब्रिगेडियर रह चुका है इलाहाबाद बोर्ड में, मेजर जनरल रह चुका है कपूरथला बोर्ड में, और मोर देन यहां पर ध्यान से देखिएगा मैं क्या कह रहा हूं आपसे, यहां पर आपको 10,000 से भी ज्यादा इंटरव्यू दिख रहे होंगे और 1 लाख से भी ज्यादा आपको स्टेज 1 स्क्रीनिंग का रिजल्ट दिख रहा होगा. ये है पूरी कहानी मेजर जनरल एनपी सिंह की. और मैं आपसे कहूंगा मुलाकात कीजिए मेजर जनरल एनपी सिंह से इस नंबर पर डायल करके, एंड ही इज वेटिंग फॉर यू एंड ही इज वेटिंग टू हेल्प यू आउट. मैं तो आपसे विदा, जय हिंद, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.
मैं उनको रोज सोचता हूँ। वो है अंतिम पगों